Are you willing to download the top apps that allow you to earn real money? Today I'm going to demonstrate some fresh methods for making quick extra cash by merely pressing a few buttons on your smartphone. And the best part is? Many of these take no effort at all. I got it. Life is unpredictable. You may occasionally need extra money to pay a bill or to put money aside for a purchase you want. You're thinking how to make money right now and what apps actually give you real money because you don't want to fall behind on your expenses. It wouldn't hurt to earn an extra $100 today. We've all experienced it, but what do you typically do? This is a comprehensive list of everything someone can do right now to earn money using the best mobile apps I've found. If you're short on time, I'll go ahead and list the top earning apps you can add to your arsenal of side jobs. Before we continue, welcome to E-UZI. These are 3 best apps to make money online. Make sure you follow this video through to the end to get extra money using these programs. Don't forget to like the video, press the notification bell, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below to be notified every time I release a new video. The first app on our list is Survey Junkie. It makes perfect sense to take online surveys to earn some extra cash. Even while you won't become a millionaire or earn hundreds of dollars every day by taking surveys, you won't waste much time and can still gain some money quickly. This is my preferred and best paying survey website. Many of the surveys on Survey Junkie pay between $2 and $50 and take less than 5 minutes to complete. Therefore, if you completed 10 surveys on average every day for a month, you might earn more than $375 each month. The possibilities are infinite if you participated in more surveys each day. This is one of the best apps on our list to earn extra money. I'll leave a link in the description so you can check it out and make extra money. Aspiration is the second app on the list. You're missing out on simple extra money if you don't use the Aspiration debit card. Fortunately, there is a quick solution. When you use a debit card from the Aspiration company for routine expenditures like gas or grocery, you can receive up to 10% cash back. You may register for a free Aspiration debit card in just a few minutes by providing your email address and connecting your bank account. Then, with every purchase you make, you'll be on your road to simple extra money. But before anything else, if you guys love this video, which I spent a lot of time and effort making, I would really appreciate it if you guys click the like button and make sure you subscribe and have notifications turned on. And if this video receives 2,000 likes, I'll upload more videos in the next weeks to show you how to use these applications to earn more money than anyone else using them. Let's get back to the video. The last app is Blackout Bingo. Bingo used to be a game of chance. You would win if you were fortunate enough to have the appropriate card. With Blackout Bingo, you can now play the gaming app and win $100 right away. Everyone using the app sees the identical balls and cards, and it's simple to use. To become a master of bingo, you must have focus, quick thinking, and strategy. Players may pick up and play anytime they want because games only take a few minutes to complete. You can even compete for cash rewards if you want to give it a try. Blackout Bingo is quickly rising to the top of the list of most popular gaming applications, with over 5 million users globally. So, these are 3 best apps to make money online. I'll make a step-by-step video about each of them. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, press the notification bell to be notified every time I release a new video, and leave a comment below if you have any questions so I'll make a video for you. Now if you want even more money, make sure you watch this video right here for you to learn make $6 per minute by typing jobs online.